Good morning, guys. Ano ko ganyan yan, guys. Kailangan. Ano to? Good morning, guys. Early in the morning, guys. Not enough sleep pa ang lola nyo. So, we're going to Milano School because it's first day of their school. First day of school. Tapos may ano pa kami doon, guys. May gagawin pa kami doon kasi nung Saturday, parang hindi yata, na-late kami sa sa registration. So, ngayon namin parang may anuhin pa kami doon ng mga form about kay Milano. Ipapasa pa namin doon, guys. That's why sasama muna ka. Here's my son. Milano is here. Kasi ito, guys, so kailangan pa namin to i-submit. I-submit pa namin to. Punta pa kami sa school office nila Milano. Ang aga, guys. I don't have enough sleep. So, ayan si Milano is getting ready. Diba? Ang pogi, oh. Ay, kagwapo na dili na kong babysit siya. Okay. So, let's go to your school na. Dali na. Dali na. Gubot pa na ako balay, guys, ha? Okay. Nakakurbata man, oh. Nakakurbata. Okay, ready na yan. Ayan, may bag na siya. Ready na si Milano. Okay ba? Are you ready, be? You're not ready. Okay, good luck. So, guys, gabi pa kangit-ngit. 6:25 in the morning. So, ayan na, isend muna namin si Milano sa school. Grabe ka early. And then after this, I want to go back and sleep. Diba? Ka-early. Agay. Parang pakangit-ngit sa kalibutan, guys. Ngit-ngit pa ang kalibutan.